All right, let's dive into our explainer on Mount Zion College of Engineering and Technology, located in Pudukkottai. Its TNEA code is 3908. We're going to break down everything you and your parents need to consider to see if this is the right fit. So here's how we're going to tackle this. We'll start with a first look at the college, then get into its history and official ratings. After that, we'll cover the engineering programs, campus life, and finally, what really matters, placements and achievements. Okay, first things first. Let's get a feel for the college's personality. What's Mount Zion all about? And what makes it a key player for students in and around Pudukkottai? Well, what really stands out is this combination of solid credentials and a very clear mission. It's not just another engineering college, it's a NAAC A-grade institution with NBA-accredited programs, specifically founded to serve its local community. That's a powerful mix. Let's quickly run through the basics. It's a self-financing, co-ed college that started back in 2001. Importantly, it's affiliated with Anna University, and all admissions are handled through the TNEA counseling process. So it's all through the single window system. Now, let's dig a bit deeper. Where did this college come from? And more importantly, how do we know it's any good? Let's look at its foundation and the official stamps of approval it has earned. You know, the story here is quite inspiring. The college was started by the Mount Zion Christian Educational Trust. They already had a successful school running since 1988, and in 2001, they launched this college with a very specific goal: to bring top-notch technical education to students right there in the Pudukkottai district. So how's the quality? Well, the first big sign is its NAAC rating. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council has given Mount Zion its top-tier A grade. That's a really strong endorsement of the overall quality of the institution. And this isn't just a label. This A grade is backed by a solid number, a cumulative grade point average of 3.35 out of 4. For parents and students looking for concrete proof of quality, this number speaks volumes. On top of the college-wide accreditation, you also have program-specific quality checks. The National Board of Accreditation has given its seal of approval to 3 core branches: computer science, ECE, and EEE. And this accreditation is valid all the way until December 2028, which is great for students joining now. All right, so with that foundation of quality, let's see what you can actually study here. What are the engineering programs on offer, and who are the people teaching them? For the 2026 intake, there are 7 BE and BTech programs, with a total of 420 seats up for grabs. What's really forward-thinking is they've added 2 new age branches in 2023, AI and data science and IT, showing they're keeping up with what the industry wants. The teaching team consists of 103 faculty members, but here's a number that should catch your eye. The student-to-faculty ratio is just 11:1. That is excellent. It means smaller class sizes and more chances for students to get direct guidance from their professors. Okay, academics are one half of the story. The other half is campus life. What's it actually like to live and study at Mount Zion? Let's check out the facilities. The college is set on a 30-acre campus. It's got all the essentials covered. Separate hostels for boys and girls with both veg and non-veg food options. Plus, you have practical amenities like campus-wide Wi-Fi, a bank, an ATM, and even a post office right on campus, which is super convenient. For students who travel daily, this is a big one. The college has a pretty extensive bus network that connects to more than a dozen towns. We're talking major hubs like Trichy and Karaikudi, so getting to and from campus is sorted for a lot of students. Now we get to the bottom line, right? What happens after 4 years of engineering? This is where we look at the results, placements, research opportunities, and the awards that make the college stand out. Let's start with placements. For the TNEA 2025 admission cycle, the college itself reported a placement rate of 86% for its eligible students. That's a strong figure. And who's hiring? The list includes a good mix of core engineering and IT companies. You've got names like Amplifone, SL Lumex, and Delphi TVS Technologies visiting the campus for recruitment. But it's not just about getting a job. The college is also building a solid research environment. 2 of its departments are recognized as research centers by Anna University. And here's a real gem. They have an e-Yantra robotics lab, and that's sponsored by IIT Bombay. That is a fantastic opportunity for students. And the list of achievements just keeps going. The college has been recognized nationally for its innovation efforts by the Ministry of Education. And on the sports side, they are a powerhouse. They've been the zonal athletics champions for 5 years straight. That speaks to a very vibrant, well-rounded college experience. Just so you know, all the information we've shared today has been carefully put together from the college's own website and other official government sources, and it's all current as of April 2026.
To explore more engineering colleges, head over to profsam.com. It's your true source for making those big decisions from 12th standard to your engineering career.